Pwede na mag-start.
Oh, sige, you can start now.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Ebales Angela, and my report is about demonstrate skill in harvesting capturing fish. Skill on harvesting skill on harvesting fish. Total total or partial harvesting may be done depending on the demand or need of the family or market. So there are 4 methods used to harvest fish. First is use of globe, use of baited hook and line, use of net, and use of total rig. First method is the use of the globe. So this is commonly used by fishers who catch fish on brooks or streams. So the catch is normally for home consumption since the device catches only a few at a time. So the taglob, which is literally means lid or cover, is a traditional fish trap commonly used in the Philippines. So to use it, the trap is submerged into shallow waters and the fish are caught manually by reaching into the hole. Next, excuse me. Next, next is use of baited hook and line. So a method of catching fish is mostly enjoyed by hobbyists and fish enthusiasts. So it uses a hook to catch only one fish at a time. So the time spent in fishing brings enjoyment to the person doing it. So ito yung sa nakikita natin sa picture, yun yung hook and line na ginagamit para makapag-bait ng fish. Next is use of net. So familiar tayo lahat dito kasi ito mostly yung ginagamit. So most commonly used method by fishers and commercial fishing boats in order to catch considerable volume of fishes to feed. So some fishing nets are also called fish traps, for example, pike nets. So there are types of nets, yung grill net, cast net, and etc. So fishing nets are usually mesh form by knotting a relatively thin thread. Early nets were woven from grasses, flashes, and other fibrous plant material. Next method of skill harvesting fish is the use of total rig. So that method uses long fish net to catch the fish in ponds or truly drain off its water. To harvest your fish by draining the water completely, usually you need to have a drainable pond. So in such case, all the fish present are removed from it, being harvested either inside the pond or outside. Excuse me. Next is the marketing strategy. So, marketing strategy. The success of a fish farming venture will primarily be determined by its ability to operate as a profitable business. As such, a marketing plan in fish farming must be prepared to effectively distribute this product aside from knowing the techniques of fish production. So there are basic components every marketing plan should contain. So we have 5: the creating value, careful study of competitors, knowing the target market, and the product pricing. Last is the market research. So creating value means that the products offered are unique and offer better incentives to the consumer. So the target market is informed about the uniqueness of the fish. So of the fish product and an important health benefit of the fish products highlighted. Next is the careful study of competitors. So, careful study of competitors, the weaknesses as well as the strength of your competitors are some important starting points for a marketing plans para maging maganda yung market plan na magagawa natin. Kasi kapag alam natin yung weaknesses nila, makakagawa tayo para paano natin mapapaganda yung pagbebenta natin ng mga fish or kung paano mas tayo yung tatangkilikin ng mga mamimili. Next is knowing the target market. The more understanding you got about who and where your target market is the better potential you have to increase sales. So strengthening the business capacity to have better services is important based from the observed customers' behavior. Next is advertising. Developing advertising strategy that allows a healthy margin for fields is really important. However, still providing customer with this product to successfully market the products. Last is the market research. Market research, although the consumption of fish products is widespread, market research is still the basic components of the business that guides the business achieving increased sales. So
Uminom
the
ka muna para ano.
may sakit pa sa mga okay lang po.
Oo, uminom ka muna ng ano, tubig.
Okay naman. Excuse me po. So the internet has readily available information about your possible customers. So yun yung 5 marketing strategy natin para makapag-ano ng mga next is the marketing tools. So fish is sold in the market wholesale or retail. It is sold in various forms such as live, fresh, frozen, choice cut, preserved as in dried fish, daing like daing, toyo, or tinapa, and canned or bottled fish. So for retail selling fish, fish is sold by kilo, by piece, or in a small batches. For wholesale selling, it is sold in a large container. So some buyers buy it in a bidding process where the price is right. Yun yung auction market. So we have ways to market your fish products. The direct from sales, farmers market, farm to market, restaurant, selling through the internet, and selling through the middleman. First ways is the direct from sales. Direct from sales, you can sell animals, fish, or products directly from your farm. So, direct marketing is the sale of agricultural goods and products from the farm straight to the consumer without intervening distributors or retailers. Next is the farmers market livestock auction market. So animal raiser, farm operator, you should be on the lookout for events such as auction markets or similar events in your area where people or nearby provinces come to buy fishes direct from raisers themselves. Yun yung may place sila kung saan may nagbebenta tapos may mga tao doon. Kung sino yung mas pinaka makakuha ng
Ano yan, ginugroup ang ano, ang isda, lahat ng isda. Kung sino yung pinaka-highest bidder, siya ang bibili o makakakuha. Kumbaga lahat ang isda na ano. So, nasa iyo yun na ano na kailangan marunong ka makipag-bid. Kung alam mo na mabenta mo naman ng ano ng pagdating ng ibenta mo, may kita ka, makipag-bid ka. Kasi mura pag ano eh, pag bidding. Sige.
Next is farm to market. So some farming families or entrepreneurs also have meat shop or fish stall in the nearby wet market to sell their own products.
Nakakontrata na.
Opo. Next is yung restaurant. So one possible fish product client can be the nearby restaurant in your area. So you could establish suki system. So dito yun yung kumbaga yung mga restaurant na yun may product sila ng fish. So dahil kilala ka na nila na maganda yung mga product mo, sa'yo, magiging suki mo sila kasi sa'yo sila kukuha ng mga fish product po. Next is selling through the internet. So due to the wide coverage of the internet, aside from placing advertisement on different websites, you could also
Yun yung
use
online
social
na.
media to market your animal and fish farm product and services. So, mas matubenta rin siya natin sa through internet kasi mas maraming din makakakita po nun.
Yung online.
Opo. Next is selling through middlemen. As the word middleman implies, there are entrepreneurs who make deals with other sellers or dealers. So middlemen are people who buy goods from animal and fish raisers and sell them to retailers or other consumers. Yun lang po.